My name is whatever the fuck my name is. I don't have a name. I don't know why I'm making a video. I just wanted to. So, today we're gonna learn how to shove. Lost track of thought. We're gonna learn how to shove bar stools up your ass, and then we're gonna learn how to take a guy's dick. Nope, no, I'm just kidding. Today we're gonna learn how to shove a tube up your ass and someone piss in it. It's gonna be dandy. Cause then you know what's gonna happen? Then you're gonna be able to fucking piss out the piss that they pissed in your ass.